Good morning. Today we are going to see how to enable uh, Redwood features for Oracle Cloud Prerequisites. Okay. So normally, if you open that, it won't appear in the here. So for that, you have to add some of the privileges and some of the roles for the to enable that. Okay. So I already enabled that. So and this is the profile value to be added. Then we have to add three privileges to enable to see that Redwood page of for cloud purchase. Okay, so first of all, you will go to if you go to then first of all you go to setup and maintenance. Then here we have to search for the manage administrator profiles profile values. Okay, then so that is search for this profile value. Here normally it will be defaulted as no n, so I modified it y. Okay, after that we have to add following privilege. I created a custom role, so I will show that custom role to go to implementation and one custom role. I created one custom role called XX procurement redwooding enabling. Mm, then search for the role. Sorry. So I search for that XX role. Procurement enable role. So I will go to edit mode, edit role. So if we go to next, so I added all three privileges here. Manage purchase order using Redwood page. Manage schedule job definition. View purchase order work area. I added all three privileges here. Okay. Then after creating this role, I added this role to the my user. Okay. Share by. So then go to procurement. Go to here. Click on more. So we go to enable here. Previously it won't appear here. So this is the Redwood page for the, from it is coming from 24A. So we have a lot of actions are there. Previously is not there. Normal if you open normal page, normal PO page. is somewhat different. This is the classic page previously. So it's totally different. We have a lot of buyer. I can search for like buyer, supply, order status. You can do a lot of actions are there. Previously is not there. Okay. We can remove the holds. We can reopen here. A lot of things are there. So this is coming from 24A. Okay. So previously it's like that. Suppose I want to create also. This is somewhat different. Create order. This is the classic page. Previously, in previous version, we'll create POs like here. So supplier you can give here, and supply sites are coming here. Then create. Okay. This is normal. This is the Redwood page. This is the normal previous page for classic page. So you'll find a lot of differences are there. Okay. So this is a this is how to we can create a how to enable purchase orders for the Redwood. Okay. So if you have any doubts on that, please ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back.